Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, the subscriber giveaway. I'm giving you guys a free month of Kindle Unlimited. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, add it to your cart, and check out. And you get a lot of good Prime reading, Kindles, free reading apps, Kindle book deals. So there's a lot of good stuff you guys could take advantage on for one whole month. Catch up on your reading and get like free books, and you can add these to your library. That one. There we go. See, all you gotta do is hit start reading and you can read it. Click on that. All you gotta do is hit read now. You get it all for free. So you get cooking books, Legends of the King Arthur Knights. That's for free. All these for free, and you get it free for 30 days. All you gotta do is just cancel it, or you could keep it, which would be cool. And I guarantee you'll get your money's worth out of this, since everybody has tablets now, smartphones, and instead of worrying about leaving your book behind at a coffee shop, you got it on your phone right through Amazon. So like I said, you guys get a free month right now, and all you gotta do is click the link down below, sign up, and you guys can start to read for one whole month. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a great weekend, and happy Prime Day. See ya.